Hi guys, I am Sohel Mahmoud Arafat, the lead IELTS instructor of International Language House, which is located at Mohamaadpur. Today I will talk a bit about IELTS modules. There are 4 modules for the IELTS test, and they are speaking, listening, reading and writing. And the speaking test takes place on a different date. For example, if anyone registers himself for 26 January, then the speaking test will not take place on that day. It will take place 1 day, 2 days, or even in some cases 3 days before the actual test date. I mean the day you have registered yourself. And on the day you have registered, you will sit for listening, reading and writing on the same sitting, and this will also be the sequence: first listening, then reading and then writing. And there isn't an official break in the IELTS test, but there is a little bit time unofficially. For example, it takes some time to hand in the question papers and to get them back, so usually 5 minutes or a little bit like that. So this is your unofficial break, so you should try to utilize that time as your break. And you are not allowed to take wristwatches or anything that can be connected by a device. So IELTS authority does it just to in case if anyone takes any kind of unfair measures. And you will be notified about your exam day, and you should reach, I'm talking about the perspective of Bangladesh. You should reach there at about 11. So after reaching there will be some checking by the authority, and then after that you will be inside the exam room, and after finishing the exam you come out with a smiling face. Thank you very much.